Welcome to my channel. Netgear Nighthawk RS600 Wi-Fi 7 tri-band router. Unboxing. Ensure you have all the components: the RS600 router, power adapter, Ethernet cable, and any included documentation. Position the router. Place the router in a central location for optimal Wi-Fi coverage. Connect the power adapter, plug the power adapter into the router and then into a power outlet. Turn on the router. Wired connection. Use the provided Ethernet cable to connect your computer to one of the LAN ports on the router. Look for the default Wi-Fi network name SSID and password on the router's label. Connect your device to this network. Open a web browser. On your connected device, open a web browser, Edge, Chrome, Firefox, Edge. Enter the router's IP address. Type http://wrouterlogin.net or http://192.168.1.1 in the address bar and press enter. Log in. Use the default username and password, usually admin for both. Follow the on-screen instructions. The router's web interface should automatically launch the setup wizard. Choose the type of internet connection you have: DHCP, PPPoE, static IP. Set Wi-Fi network name SSID. Choose a name for your Wi-Fi network. Check for updates. In the router's web interface, navigate to the firmware update. Create a strong password for your Wi-Fi network. Thanks for watching.